हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू JR ट्यूटर्स। आज हमारा टॉपिक है न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स। क्लास 7th का चैप्टर है ये। व्हाट इज़ न्यूट्रिशन? व्हाट आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स? न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो कुछ भी हम फूड खा रहा है, वॉट एवर द फूड वी आर ईटिंग इन आवर डेली लाइफ, व्हाट इट कंटेन्स। फूड में होता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स और विटामिन्स एक्सेट्रा। दीज ऑल आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स। ये हम बोलते हैं ये है न्यूट्रिएंट्स। कंजम्पशन ऑफ दिस न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड यूजेज ऑफ दिस न्यूट्रिएंट्स, दैट इज़ जो कुछ भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हम ले रहे हैं, आवर बॉडी इज़ यूजिंग दिस न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू ग्रो, to repair the damaged parts. This is nothing but nutrition. So what is nutrition? Coming to definition of nutrition. So nutrition is nothing but uptake of nutrients. Uptake of nutrients is eating of food. जो कुछ भी आप food खा रहे हैं, the food contains all these nutrients. So uptake of these nutrients and usage of these nutrients, if we are eating this, we are getting these nutrients. Our body is using these nutrients for the growth, to repair the damaged parts and also to carry out life processes. Life processes क्या है ये life processes? Respiration, digestion, ये सब है life processes. So this is nothing but nutrition. Uptake of nutrients and usage of these nutrients by our body is nothing but nutrition. So you know, on our earth there are plants, animals and humans. Humans nothing but us, we are humans. Out of these three, plants can synthesize their own food. अपने आप synthesize करते हैं food को, लेकिन these two living organisms, that is animals and humans, they can't synthesize their own food. अपने आप synthesize नहीं कर सकते हैं। We depends on plants. हम plants में depend होते हैं directly और indirectly. We depend on plants. What is the speciality of plants? Plants का speciality क्या है? ये है autotrophs. That is, the mode of nutrition in them is autotrophic mode of nutrition. What is meant by autotrophic? Auto is nothing but self. Meaning of auto is self. Trophic is synthesizing. So plants can synthesize their own food. So we are calling the plants as autotrophs. What do we call animals and humans? They can't synthesize their own food. They depends on others for their food. Depends on others, nothing but plants. These others is nothing but plants. So for this we are telling they are heterotrophs. Hetero का मतलब है others. So humans and animals are depending on plants for their food, so we are calling them heterotrophs, whereas plants synthesize their own food, so we are calling them autotrophs. What is the reason behind this? How are plants synthesizing their own food? By a phenomenon called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? If you divide this word into two, that is, one is photo, other is synthesis. What is the meaning of photo? Photo का मतलब है light. Synthesis आप जानते हैं, synthesis of food in presence of light. Synthesis of food in presence of light, that is nothing but plants require sunlight. Here the source is sunlight. So synthesis of food in presence of light is nothing but photosynthesis. This process is carried out only in plants. This is not carried out in animals and humans. Why? So photosynthesis, as already known, this is nothing but synthesis of food by using sunlight. Where is this photosynthesis carried out? This photosynthesis is carried out in leaves. Leaves are the food storage. food storage places in plants. Food storage and food synthesis occurs in these leaves. So if you see, these leaves are green in color. What is the reason for this green color? The reason is the presence of a green color pigment called chlorophyll that is present in the leaves, which is responsible for photosynthesis. This chlorophyll is not present in animals and humans. एनिमल्स में नहीं होते हैं और ह्यूमंस में भी नहीं होते हैं, इसीलिए दे आर नॉट सिंथेसाइजिंग देयर ओन फूड. Because of this pigment that is present in the plants are synthesizing their own food by a process called photosynthesis. So coming to the process, what happens in photosynthesis? Generally plants use carbon dioxide from atmosphere and water from the soil. Whatever the water present in the soil, it is used by the leaves. Carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight is must and should, and chlorophyll pigment. What is happening? It is synthesizing its own food, nothing but carbohydrates. So this carbohydrate is nothing but starch, which is present in the leaves. You may get one doubt, how is carbon dioxide absorbed? Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere. If you see in a leaf, suppose this is a leaf. See in this leaf, carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere. How is it absorbed? There are small tiny pores called stomata. Present on the surface of the leaves like this. They are not visible to you, they are visible only under microscope. So these stomata are responsible for absorption of carbon dioxide, and this stomata is surrounded by guard cells. These are guard cells. आपको एक डाउट भी आते हैं, हाउ इज वाटर अब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द लीव्स? whatever water is present in ground, but how are they absorbed by the leaves? Through the vessels. That is, these vessels are present from roots to stem, branches. These vessels connect the roots to stem to branches, and from here these vessels pass through these leaves. The water flows from roots to stem and to leaves through vessels. So these vessels are the source for the water. So CO2, water, okay, sunlight you will get from the atmosphere, and chlorophyll is present in the leaves. By using all these, food is synthesized in the plants. This is nothing but photosynthesis. If you see here, these are the plants at my house. अब देख लिया तो ये है हाइबिस्कस का प्लांट, और ये एक डेजर्ट का है, डेजर्ट टाइप. ये है एलोवेरा. Coming to this hibiscus, if you see here, this is flower. Generally you will study about this parts of flower and everything in your upcoming classes. This is the leaf. अब देख लिया तो this leaf is green in color. The reason behind this is green pigment called chlorophyll. And if you see here, आप देख लिया तो ये stems green color में नहीं है, because there is no chlorophyll in the stems. So photosynthesis occurs in the leaves in presence of sunlight. अब देख लिया तो ये है एलोवेरा. आप जानते हैं, you know it very well. These are xerophytes. इसका xerophyte का मतलब है जो कुछ भी प्लांट डेजर्ट में होता है वो है xerophyte. एंड आप देख लिया तो इसमें स्केल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स है. ये है स्केल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. दीज आर नथिंग बट लीव्स. ये स्केल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स और लीव्स. This green color thing, whatever you are mistaken it as leaf, generally so many students mistakes it as leaf. ये लीफ नहीं है, ये है स्टेम. ग्रीन कलर का है स्टेम, और ये स्केल्स है ना, ये है लीव्स. The reason behind it, why are these are leaves? This is stem. Why stem is green in color? Because the stem of aloe vera contains chlorophyll. Photosynthesis occurs in the stem instead of leaves. बिकॉज इसमें लॉस ऑफ वाटर रिड्यूस करने के लिए इसका लीव्स ऐसा होता है, रिड्यूस्ड स्ट्रक्चर से स्पाइन जैसा होता है। बिकॉज दिस एलोवेरा डेजर्ट में ही होता है जहाँ पानी नहीं मिलते हैं, इसीलिए इसका बॉडी ऐसा होता है। स्टेम इज़ ग्रीन इन कलर एंड लीव्स आर स्केल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स। ये भी हाइबिस्कस प्लांट है, आप देख लिया तो ये सब है हाइबिस्कस एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो सम अदर प्लांट। सो इन फोटोसिंथेसिस व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, आप फिर रिवाइज किया तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज अब्जॉर्ब फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर थ्रू स्टोमाटा, टाइनी पोर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, एंड वाटर इज absorbed from the soil, and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, food is synthesized in the form of carbohydrate and oxygen is liberated. This oxygen is must and should for us, आप जानते हैं students, this is must and should for us for our respiration. So plants are very important for us for food and also for respiration. Without the photosynthesis life is not there on the earth. This is all due to sunlight and plants. So if you see some other things, also some other living organisms are also there in spite of these plants, called algae. Where are this algae? ये algae कहाँ होता है? algae होता है water में, where आप देख लिया तो stagnant water. What is stagnant water? स्टिल, दैट इज़ देर इज़ नो मूवमेंट इन वाटर। फ्लोटिंग वाटर में नहीं होता है, जो कुछ भी वाटर में मूवमेंट है उसमें नहीं होता है। स्टैगनेंट वाटर में आल्गे होता है, वो भी ग्रीन इन कलर। स्टैगनेंट वाटर में आल्गे होता है, वो भी ग्रीन इन कलर है। दिस ग्रीन कलर इज ड्यू टू क्लोरोफिल। आल्गे आल्सो कंटेन्स क्लोरोफिल एंड दे आल्सो कैन सिंथेसाइज देयर ओन फूड. So students, this is nothing but photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis, how it happens, where it happens. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you understand my video, like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.